Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you the use of this user message section under the notification settings. So let's get started. Simply when you will click on the notification option from the more section, you will get this notification setting option, and in the user message section, you will get an option to get only the notification for assigned user or for all user that you can set from here. So if you choose the assigned only, or you will only be getting the notification for assigned user, and if you will choosing the all users, so you will be getting the notification for all the users that will be interacting with your chatbot or the AI agent. And from this particular section you can also set the desktop notification and mobile push notifications. Once you are done with that, you can simply click on update, and all the settings that you have changed from here, they will be reflected on your account, and you will start receiving the notification according to the settings that you have set here. So that's all about this particular section. Thank you so much for choosing this thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.